Video I have discussed up to question number 9. Now I will solve question number 10, question number 11. Question number 10 is limit x tends to 1 cube root of 7 plus x cube minus square root of 3 plus x square upon x minus 1. Okay, now this is also using binomial theorem BT. Then x equals to let x equals to 1 plus 8. So this limit x tends to 1 tends to will be converted to h tends to 0, and this is 7 plus x cube. So 7 plus 1 plus h whole cube whole to the power 1/3 minus 3 plus x square 1 plus h whole square whole to the power half upon 1 plus h minus 1, and this will be limit h tends to 0. This is 7 according to the BT. This will be 1 plus 3h whole to the power 1/3 minus 3 plus 1 plus 2h whole to the power half, and this is h, and this will be limit h tends to 0. This is 7 plus 1 8, but you know 1 plus x whole to the power n in the first term each one, so take common 8, and this will be 1 plus 3h upon 8 whole to the power 1/3, and minus this is also take common 4, and this is 1 plus 2h upon 4 whole to the power half, and this is now this will be the 8 when it comes out. This will be 2, and this is also 2. So 1 plus 3h upon 8 whole power 1/3, and minus 2 1 upon h upon 2 whole power half upon h, and this will be limit h tends to 0 to out of the limit, and this is 1 plus 1/3 3h according to BT minus 1 minus half h by 2, and this is h, and this 1 is cancel, and this is h upon 8 minus h by 4 h, and this is minus h upon 8 upon h, and this will be the 2, and this is 2, and h cancel. This is minus 1 by 4 is answer. Here it will be limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer, minus 1 by 4. Next, go to question number 11. Question number 11 is this. Very important question. Okay, so please see the solution of this question. Limit x tends to 1. Question number 11. X plus x square plus dot dot and so on plus x power n minus n upon x minus 1. This question is, if you observe this question, then this will very difficult लगता है, लेकिन आप कैसे करोगे इस? देखिए x plus x square plus dot dot up to x power n. This is the term of here is 1 2 up to n. This is the n terms. Here is minus n, that is n means 1 multiplied by n. This one is n numbers. N means sum of 1 numbers, that is x plus x square plus dot dot plus x power n, and minus 1 plus up to n terms. So every one you can subtract from every term here, and this will be x minus 1 plus x square minus 1. This one also and so on plus xn power minus 1. This is minus 1. Okay, interesting method. And this is limit x tends to 1, and this will be x minus 1 x divide 1 plus x square minus 1, and this will be x plus 1, x square minus upon x square plus 1, and this will be x cube, next x cube minus 1 upon x minus 1, and so on. And this is x minus 1 upon x minus 1, and now this limit will be 1 plus x plus 1, x tends to 1, and this will be x plus 1, x minus 1 common x square plus x plus 1. So this is the, if we put here 2, and this will be 2, this is 3, and this will be the n. Okay, because here x square plus x1, or you can show also in this way, x power n minus 1 upon x minus 1, and this is the limit x tends to 1, and this will be n. Because if you 0 by 0 form, this is the 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form, so its value is n x power n minus 1, derivative of this 1 is 0, and this is 1. So if we put x tends to 1 here, this is n 1 power n minus 1, and this will be 1. So its value is n. So its value is n, its limit x tends to 1 is n, so its limit is 3, so its limit is 2. So इसीलिए 2 plus 3 dot dot n. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. So this is the answer, n common n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, next start question number 12. This limit, if we solve this limit in question number 12, limit h tends to 0, 1 upon h common 8 plus 8 whole power 1/3 minus 1 upon 2h. This question is in importance, because if you put h 0 here, then this will be infinity and this will be infinity. So infinity minus infinity form. This is infinity minus infinity form. So when infinity minus infinity form, then use LCM. LCM of the denominator. Then this will be the when infinity minus infinity form. This is the procedure. So h and 8 plus h whole power 1/3. This is the LCM, and this will be 2 minus 8 plus h whole power 1/3. Okay, now you can use BT. Now BT. Then 2 minus 8 take common, then 1 plus h upon 8 whole power 1/3, and this 8 is when out of this bracket, this will be 2, because 8 means 2 power 3, 2 power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3, that is 2, and 2h upon 8 plus h whole power 1/3, and this will be limit h tends to 0 minus 2 common 1 plus 1/3 h upon 8, and 2h 8 plus h whole power 1/3. This is also, you can take 8, you can also take 2 1 plus h upon 8 whole power 1/3, and this is limit h tends to 0, and 2 minus 2 1 2 minus 2, and this is minus 2 minus 2 h upon 24, and this will be 2h, and this is 2 1 plus 1/3 h by 8, and this will be h limit h tends to 0, and this is 2 each cancel, and this is minus h upon 12, h upon 12, and here 4 h plus 4 h square upon 3 multiplied by 8, and this will be h cancel, then this is 1 upon 12, and 4 plus 4h upon 24, and this is minus 1 upon 12 into 4 minus 1 upon, and this will be 4 is down, so 1 upon 4 minus 12, this is 1 upon 48. This is the answer, minus 1 upon 48. Okay, very easy solving for BT method, binomial theory. But if you apply LH rule, L'Hopital rule, then this will be also थोड़ा lengthy method. The hard time LH rule, L'Hopital rule, short method नहीं होता. So this is much for today. So please, for having more questions, important questions, to get more important solution of important questions, shortcut solution and tricky method, please keep watch my next video. भूलना मत.